helping myself. What this do? It no use so long so it dry up. Add that up on. I throw in the towel at work. Body can manage. You know something? Pain is a good thing, you know. Pain help you to understand and realize that you are no longer 20 anymore. Because you can't feel age. Age is not something that you feel. So every morning you get up, you're not going to feel like me 55. The brain don't work like that. The childlessness, the childness in you will remain. Nothing can take that away. So pain is the benefit of it. To let you feel pain that you are no longer 30. Pain helps you to understand that you are no longer 20. You're going up the hill. So you wake up and biological a kick and this a lick and bamboo a sharp and you don't understand yourself because you don't feel age. So when people tell us, say, oh, you reach age for pray, you don't reach that. You don't feel that. Age not come with no mind feeling. So you just a go on and you just a go on and you just a go on and you just a go on. I just saw it go. But my body, in a couple months time, I'll be 56 years old. So I am age. So because bamboo a lick and everything a mice and everything a work same way, my body now understand say it can't manage. So I have severe back pain. So I step down from work because me no want to do probation work because it's too stressy. And then me come to Canada do manual labor work where I mash up my back and mash up my hip. So, and I know what will happen. God is my source. So, I get myself all pretty and fixed up whilst me in my house and I get ready to go about my business. So you will for the finished product. So when you reach certain age, you must know wisdom, because you will just work. So one nurse left go about her business to go buy medication and drop down in the place where she go and analyze. Woman drop down same place in the place and analyze. You imagine how long her body did I talk to her? You imagine how her body and her mind was talking to her and she never pay attention? So my body talk to me I pay attention to it. A friend of mine left go to Jamaica on vacation and she's so busy at work that she never get to listen to what her body say. As 2 days after she reach Jamaica, she start cough and bring up red liquid. 2 days after then carry her go to hospital, she realize say a lungs cancer she have. Then fly her back come to Canada in an air ambulance and a little months after that she died. So people are so busy working in this country. Working. So your body finish on you. And you're so busy that you never get time out to hear what your body has say. But now make it happen to me. Me hear my body say, time to put you in the towel. You have been through enough and go rest. Yep.